If you want an effective way to manage your weight, feel more energized, promote health and detox your body from damaging toxins, intermittent fasting is the answer. There are various studies showing that taking only liquids and restricting foods for short periods of time can help you prevent diseases and live longer. What is intermittent fasting? You follow a dietary regimen of restricting food for a short period and then continue a regular eating diet just after finishing the fast. One of the most popular ways to do fasting involves fasting for a period of 16 hours, 2 times a week. There are people who do 24-hour fasting, but it should only be tried if you are already comfortable with regular fasting. You may think that fasting is difficult, but is very simple. You don't have to count calories, besides you already fast while you sleep. The body repairs at night. Intermittent fasting allows energy to be used in other parts of the body to rejuvenate, instead of digestion. The health benefits of fasting. There is scientific research that proves intermittent fasting has many health benefits. By reducing your calorie intake 30% twice a week, you reduce illness, increase lifespan and improve your health condition. Increase lifespan. Fasting may reduce age-related diseases and increase lifespan in humans according to a study in the Journal of Nutrition Biochemistry. It also enhance brain and cardiovascular functions, decrease risk of a stroke and coronary artery disease. Increase weight loss and reduce diabetes. A recent study shows that intermittent fasting may prevent the development of type 2 diabetes and help with weight loss. The study also showed how fast increases longevity, improves health, reduces neurological disorders and diseases. Delay aging. There is also a study showing that fasting improves neurodegeneration, heart disease, cancer and diabetes in rodents. In humans it improves rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, hypertension, obesity and delays aging. Improves memory. In mice causes significant improvement in learning and memory. How to do it? Fasting is not that hard. It helps to improve the digestive system function and to sleep better. The easiest way to apply it is to start by fasting 16 hours, sleep and fast. You can do it by skipping breakfast, eat from midday and stop eating at 8 p.m. Keep in mind that while you will fast for 16 hours and you will not eat any food in that period of time, you should drink a lot of water. This will help to remove all the toxins of your body and keep your body and brain functioning great. All About Life TV is saying always, life is short, live it. Love is rare, grab it. Anger is bad, dump it. Fear is awful, face it. Memories are sweet, cherish it. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified. Thank you.